So my Sephora haul came in. Let's just do a unboxing. Okay, so we have, this looked a lot bigger. I got this. Comes with the gloss bomb, the Fenty Beauty highlighter, and the cream blush. And then I got this Clinique 7-day scrub. Take the day off makeup remover and moisture surge. And also I got this cleanser to take off my makeup. It's supposed to be rinse away pollution, dirt, excess oil, long wear makeup, and sunscreen quickly, gently, effectively. And this is what I'm super excited about. Brand new NARS palette. Let's open it up. This is what it looks like. Very pretty. And then it comes with a whole sample bag. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, we got the Kat Von D eyeliner. Yes, it works really good. The lactic acid treatment. This is cool. The alpha beta extra strength daily peel. And this is mascara. Oh, and this is supposed to be for your hair. So yeah, that's my haul. Very fucking excited to try this. I love NARS mirrors. They don't really get dirty. This. And this. Well, I'm one happy customer.